Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for smartphone leaks and all the juicy insider details. Today, we've got a fresh leak about the upcoming Redmi Turbo 5, and if you're outside China, this is the phone that's rumored to launch globally as the Poco X-8 Pro. Yup, it's that exciting. Stick around because there's a lot to unpack about what Xiaomi is cooking up for 2026. But first, don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you never miss the next big tech reveal. Let's dive right in. So, what's new with the Redmi Turbo 5? Well, according to reliable tipster digital chat station, the phone is already being tested, and it's bringing some meaningful upgrades over the Turbo 4. For starters, it's getting a slightly smaller, but more ergonomic 6.6-inch display with 1.5K resolution. The screen also comes with what Xiaomi calls a larger angle design, meaning those corners are curved in just the right way to feel comfortable in your hand, whether you're gaming, streaming, or just texting all day. Now, here's something that premium phone lovers will appreciate. The Turbo 5 is moving to a metal middle frame, ditching plastic. That gives it a sturdier and more high-end feel, and frankly, it's about time we see metal construction trickle down into this price segment. What about battery? The Turbo 4 already impressed with a massive 6,550 mAh battery and 90-watt fast charging. And while we don't yet have the exact mAh number for the Turbo 5, leaks suggest Xiaomi is working to keep a large battery without making the phone bulky. So expect that perfect balance of power and portability. And for those wondering about its bigger brother, the Turbo 5 Pro, that's rumored to pack a jaw-dropping 8,000 mAh plus battery and is expected a little later, in Q2 of 2026. The Turbo 5 itself, however, could launch as soon as early 2026 and globally likely under the name Poco X-8 Pro. So here's the big question. Would you grab a premium mid-ranger with flagship-level battery, metal build, and a comfortable design? If the price is right, drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you loved this scoop, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next exclusive leak. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next.